In today's video, I will teach you how to create a glass reflection effect in GIMP. Let's get started. Start by opening the image that you want to apply the reflection effect to. You can do this by going to File, then Open, then select your image. Now navigate to the image, then select Canvas Size. Change the height of the canvas to double the original height. This provides space for the reflection. Then click the chain icon to unlock the aspect ratio, then double the height value. Then use the center anchor point so that the image stays in the top half of the canvas. And once you're done, you can click Resize. Now go to Layer, Duplicate Layer to create a duplicate of your image layer. With the Move tool selected, drag the duplicate layer down to align it directly below the original layer. This will be used to create the reflection. Now go to Layer, Transform, then flip vertically. This inverts the duplicate layer to simulate the reflection. Now ensure the duplicate layer is active before going to Layer, Mask, then add Layer Mask. Then choose White Full Opacity and click Add. Now select the Gradient tool from the toolbox, and in the tool options, select the gradient to Foreground to Transparent. Then ensure the foreground color is white. Now click at the bottom of the reflection layer and drag upwards to the middle of the reflection. This action creates a gradient that fades the reflection smoothly into the background, enhancing the glass-like effect. Now press Shift-Ctrl-A to deselect any active layers. Then adjust the opacity of the reflection layer to make it more or less prominent. You can also use the Move tool to fine-tune the position of the reflection for better alignment. And now you've successfully created a glass reflection effect in GIMP. This technique is excellent for making your images look more dynamic and visually appealing. Feel free to experiment with different gradient directions, colors, and layer opacities to achieve various reflective effects. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.